Now, I like this the most because consistent characters is one of the hallmarks of a good film, and it's something that allows you to really, immerse yourself into the storyline. It's quite pretty hard to, sort of watch something and not have consistent characters. If the character is changing in subtle ways, it just really doesn't give us the realism that we need. And as humans, we've evolved to pick up on subtleties in these differences. So this small change that Runway have implemented here, I think it's going to usher in a new wave of creativity because you're probably going to see short films and a lot more independent projects be created, whereas previously you'd need a lot more work in that. So this is something that is really cool. Now, not only did they introduce consistent characters, which is, a feature that I really, really like, they also introduced this feature right here, which is object consistency. I spoke about this in the previous video where I spoke about how Runway are changing things, but object consistency is something that once again is super important because, when you are watching videos, oftentimes with AI generated videos, the objects do change and morph and do a whole bunch of different things that just aren't really, in line with what we're used to seeing. So now we can have this object consistency